for being able to connect with one another. Being young means being ambitious, creative, determined, innovative, and courageous. But just as much as all this is important, and it is truly the essence of the youth, we must never lose sight of our identity as citizens, as leaders, as a people. Take youth civic engagement. In simple youth representation in politics. As per global key findings, in 2018 IPU Interparliamentary Union report, young people under 30 makes up just 2% of world MPs. Only in developed countries such as Norway, Sweden, Finland have over 10% of members are aged under 30. Thus, to transform youth as a responsible citizen, governments need to empower youth, build capabilities such as to minimize the risk of consequences of conflict, poverty and injustice. Young people must develop relevant knowledge, skills, attitudes and behaviors. Also create opportunities to create conditions for innovations, entrepreneurship and employment creation. While all of this is a lot to process, I believe that most important thing that we must pass on to the youth of today is to never lose sight what is to be a truly human. As humans, we all need to be able to empathize and to understand, to feel and to look out for one another, irrespective of race, religion, color or ethnicity. It is vital that we remember our values and morals, our traditions and our identity in today's world. Just as much as you have the tools to change the world at your fingertips, you need to have skills and a sharp moral compass to guide you. I truly am honored to speak here today to all of you joining in, because I know beyond a doubt that among you are some of tomorrow's leaders, and I hope that these few words I spoke would help you along your way and that they will in some way be able to contribute to your journey. Let me leave you with a quote from the famous US President Franklin Roosevelt. We cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. Unquote. Thank you. Ayubowan.